students, today we are going to learn a topic roll and slide. On page number 7, lesson number 1st, shapes and space. Let's read. One of Ansh's friends, Minu, brings a few objects to the park. Ansh and his friends decided to play a game. One of the friends will push an object from the top of the slide. Another friend will stand at the bottom of the slide and catch the object. So let's see the pictures. Look, the juice can rolling down. Hey, look, the book is sliding down. Wow, the ball rolls down so fast. The die slides down too. Yes? So students, objects that roll have a curved face and objects that slide have a flat face. Did you see that some objects roll while some slide? Look at the ball. It has curved face. A ball has a curved face, so it rolls. So these are rolling objects. Look at the die. Now look at this. This is flat face. So die has a flat face, so it slides. So these are sliding objects. So students, to understand more complete, let us try in your book. Let's go on next topic. Page number 9. Topic flat shapes. So let's read. Ansh and his friends are walking in the park. They see a pole. Look at this pole. It is like a standing line. So this pole is like a standing line and this is a line. Now next picture, what did they see? Wow, this flower bed is so beautiful. It is in the shape of a triangle. So this flower bed is in shape of triangle and this is a triangle. They walk a few more steps and see a pond. What a lovely pond! It is in the shape of a circle. So this pond is in shape of circle and this is a circle. Yes, I think we will find many shapes in the park. Let us look for more. Then they all see a bench. Look here, friends. This bench is in the shape of a rectangle. So, this bench is in shape of rectangle and this is a rectangle. After walking for some time, they found an area in the park where plants are growing. Wow, we have found another shape. This is a square. So, this is a square. And this, what is this? Square. So, complete. Let us try 1.3 and 1.2 in your book. This is your homework.